Hello guys, today we see about the frequency in a limited array problem. So first we can read a question. A given array contain a positive integer. In the array we can contain a positive integer. The element in the array, the range is 1 to n. The range is 1 to n and the sum number may be repeated or absent. In this array the sum numbers are repeated or absent. Your task is count the frequency of all number in the range 1 to n and return an array size n that result I. That means first we think about the frequency. Frequency is nothing but it is how many times the number is repeated or repeated. How many times the number is repeated. So if the number is repeated, store the number in I. So the given question is in the first we can input is an array, output also a array. So in this array 2 3 2 3 5, how many times 1 is occurring in the array 0 times, and 2 is occurring in the array 2 times, and 3 is occurring in the array 2 times. So 4 is not occurring in the array, so it is a 0 times, and 5 is occurring in the array 1 time. So we can find the how many times the number is occurring in the array. So we write a code for that. So first we can write we can have a frequency int fc equal to array 0. Next result also a array, so we can use a array, and we can have a kept a variable equal to um, variable equal to new array. So we can new, it is also integer, so we can use the integer, and array dot length. So next iterate the loop, so we can use the for loop int I equal to 0. Next I is less than array dot length and I increment. So we give a array, and we can have to store the index in index. So we can use a we can have a int value equal to array I. We can store the index in value, so we can have a value, and we can store the value in tc. So tc equal to value minus 1 means we the value the index are stored in the tc, so we can increment the index, increment the tc, and return a index. So we can create a list. So in this question we give a list equal to integer at in this question we have a list is equal to integer, so we can create a list. So list is also a integer, so we can store a value in new result. So we can have a variable op is equal to new array list. So we can have a square peg. Next we can also iterate the loop for using the find the index. So we can use the for loop. So int I equal to 0. Next I less than array dot length and I plus plus. So next, and we can get a index from the tc added in a op. So op that add tc array. So return op in comparison. Sorry, we have one mistake. So colon is come on. You can have an error. So number line 6 cannot find the symbols where for loop is array dot length. So we can use a sorry, we can use array dot length. And then number 11 we can have a integer array list. There we can have a array list. Now competency. Yeah, all the test cases are passed. Then submit and yeah, all the test cases are passed. Thank you.